Hey Carvonix family, now that you've added a car or two to your garage, it's time to add a modification. There's a couple ways you can do that, but I'm going to show you one specific way right now. Let's dive into the app and I'll walk you through the whole process. Okay guys, so here we are in the Carvonix home screen. Let's go ahead and go to our dashboard. So go down to your bottom right of the screen and click on Profile. And right there, we're going to see the vehicles that we have in our garage. So I'm going to click on the M4. Now, if you scroll down, what you can do is you can see the mods tab right there. Click on mods. Okay guys, so here you see all the mod categories. And today I'm gonna add a suspension mod. And if I were to do this manually, I would go ahead and click on suspension. And then down there, you can see towards the right-hand bottom of the screen, add mod. Now, if I do that, it's gonna bring up a screen where I can add the mod manually, just like this, but we're not gonna do this right now. So I'm gonna X out. And I'm gonna show you a better way of doing this. So I'm going to click on the Shop tab right down there at the bottom, right next to Add. And now that we're in the shop, you can see my two vehicles listed right here. Now, the mod I want to add is a suspension mod for the M4. So I'm going to click on that car. So now that we're in the Carvonix shop and I have my M4 selected, when I do a search, it's going to bring up products related to the M4. So the suspension mod for this platform I'm going to add is a set of KWV3s. It's a popular suspension mod for this platform. So I'm going to type in KWV3. So now I can look through the available products. And as I scroll down, I'm going to see on the second row here is the KWV3 coilover with cancellation kit. And I know that's the one I'm looking for. So when I click on the product, so you can see the F80/F82. The F82 is the M4 platform. But if I scroll all the way down, you'll see a fitment chart right here. And you can see I have a 2016 M4 and right there, 2015 to 2020 BMW M4 base. So this will fit my car. So the next thing you'll want to do, you can see on the carousel pictures that Add to Build button. Go ahead and click on that. And it's going to make me select the car that I want to add the mod to. We're going to click on M4 Madness. And then right at the bottom, we're going to click on Make Post with Mod. Now it's going to bring you back here, where I showed you before you could enter all of this manually. But now it's filled everything in for me. You can see the mod name has been filled in. There's a product number. And it's already inserted a picture of the mod for me. So right now, one of the required fields is to rate this mod. I'm going to give it a 5-star because I know this mod is incredible. It's one of the most popular mods for this platform. I'm going to click on Preview at the top right now that we're ready to post this mod. And you can edit some more features down at the bottom like tagging people, tagging vehicles, edit post location. But we're going to go ahead and click Post in the top right. All right, and now that we've added the mod to our vehicle and the post is complete, let's go back to our profile. And now we'll click on the M4 Madness just to make sure the mod is in there. We'll click on Mods. And there we go. We can see under Suspension there is one mod. Let's click on it. There it is. And go ahead and click on that. And it will bring up the mod. Now, if someone else clicks on this and they go to the shop and they purchase, or they purchase something else from the shop, I can earn an affiliate commission off of their purchase, but that's a video for another time. And I've also gained XP for adding that mod. All right guys, so you've added your first mod to your vehicle. Awesome. You should have gained XP from doing that. So now in the next video, I'm going to show you another way that you can link a mod to your build.